Hi, this is Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour, and we really like using the Zoom software for group meetings. If you do this, you need to know the difference between speaker view and gallery view. Gallery view is that button in the upper right, and you can even have multiple screens full. If you can click on the left arrow or the right arrow, you will see the other screens of gallery view. Then you have the choice to switch to speaker view. That means whoever's talking has the main part of the screen, and you can switch back and forth between gallery view and speaker view as often as you like. When you're in speaker view, whoever is on the main speaking has on the main stage. If somebody else starts talking, then it switches to their face. Even if somebody just coughs, they may take over the main speaker view. So if you want to stay with one speaker, you do what's called pinning. And you can do that in the gallery view. You find the person you want, click on the three dots on their little square, and pin. The fact that it's pinning shows up at the top. If you want to return to the auto switching speaker view, just click that button to unpin. Now, how do you control your video and audio? In the bottom left of the screen, you'll see a little microphone and a little video camera. Next to the microphone, there's an up arrow. That gives you even more options. You can change your volume there. The little video camera, if you click on it and click that up arrow, you will see the different choices you have here, like virtual background. Now, to just say, I don't want my face on the screen, you just click and put that red line through the video camera, and now it's just your icon or your logo that shows up. Same thing with the audio, you turn it on or off just by clicking on that microphone. If you want to share your screen, that's the green button in the bottom middle. The chat is very useful, so you can send a message to one participant or to the whole group by opening up this chat sidebar with that button down at the bottom. You can choose to chat with everybody or just one individual.